Here we go. Second attempt to ride. There's Bobby's bike. Look at that. Nice. The sissy bar on. Here we go. All right, we stopped off at Shell. Got some gas. We're out in the middle of nowhere, really. Bobby getting gas. All right, we made it to Proud Mary's. There we are. It's open. Barbecue. And there's a bridge. Came across. One-lane bridge. So we made it here. Yep, it's a good day to ride a bike down to the river. Good, you? Good. Oh yeah, it was. They said it was. Yeah, this was underwater, what was it, 3-4 weeks ago? A month and a half.
Yeah, we got ready for a few hours yesterday, but no one really came out until about 7 o'clock. So we were here till 1.
Nice bar in the river.
That's good.
All right, now we're gonna attempt to get out of here. Look at that, it's pretty cloudy out. I think we're gonna catch some rain. It's Bobby.
Rain, no rain.
Yep, but oh well, see what happens here. Here's the Kentucky River. There's that bridge. A lot of bikers here. All right, getting on the bikes now. Wish us luck with no rain to get home. Well, we made it home, and well, and here we are, and this is what the weather is outside. Man, a lot of thunder, but it's okay because I made it right before the major storm. So thanks for watching. And it looks like I have a bike to clean because it was raining on the way home, but not like I expected, thank God. But here we go.